Dear students, this is Dr. T working in Wales University Department of Commerce as Assistant Professor. Today I am going to take a small unit in business correspondence, the small part in business correspondence. So in this business formats, we are going to see the business format. So what are the various business formats? Business letters, emails, circulars, memos, reports, intent, text messages. So all these are the common business formats. In the first one, business letter, we have seen very clearly in the previous video. So the business letter, email, normally the employer, he communicates the information to the employee from email, in email. Then the circular, if any particular information to be passed to all the people, then common circulars will be placed, and memos, internal notes specifically for stock memo. Normally, memo thought sheet, if any problem or if anything, if you want to create, if the employer wants to issue, and he will raise the question by way of memo by asking the explanation from the employee in the stipulated time. The report, in-depth analysis and sharing of results. So reports normally we have seen in the previous videos also. That is a report, the different types of reports, all those things. It is any one particular thing. It is a depth analysis of the particular issue or particular problem. Then text message. Suppose we are closing the office by 5 o'clock, or a Saturday working day, or Saturday holiday, or anything. So it is one small instant message, so that is possible by way of a text message. Next, correspondence by purpose. So what are the different purposes? Normally, whatever may be that the correspondence depending upon the purpose. So if it may be for sale, it may be for inquiry, maybe for complaint or adjustment, then transactional, personalized. So it may be for anything. If it is for the sales, the particular communication must be based on the sales. It must initiate the sales. So the proposals, marketing, invoices, the order confirmation, everything it should be on sales. Then inquiry, formal request for specific information. And any business can raise an inquiry to anyone another business also. Then complaint, addressing errors. Suppose we are purchasing, the particular company purchases some 50 lakhs worth about the machinery. So before the guarantee time itself, the particular machine is worn out or it's not usable. Even after many repairs and maintenance of it is not usable. So we are raising a complaint against a particular supplier regarding the machine. So when students, when you are writing, if it is asked for some a 5 mark question, so at least one page, all this content, you have to little elaborate and write. So when you want to elaborate, you can write any examples also along with the content to make the content simple. Transactional, a routine follow-ups, request, acknowledgement, it is a routine follow-up. So every day evening we are asking what is the target completed, how many pieces over, anything is a manufacturing. So what is how many pieces were delivered. So it is a routine follow-up like that, personalized messages of gratitude, congratulations, appreciation. If any particular employee birthday, then sending an email, and if a particular work got completed in a very nice manner, then you are raising the gratitude that it is very good. You are appreciating the particular employee like that. Next, the tone, clarity, accuracy. So it is what is now characteristics of quality writing. So, what are the various characteristics? In you're writing anything, it should have a proper quality. The tone, the clarity, accuracy. So, these are the characteristics of the business correspondence itself. How a correspondent, how the communication should be there. So, the tone must be very clear, objective, and polite. The wording, what we are using, it must be according to the situations. Clarity, there should be very clarity, clear information. The clear message must be communicated. Then the accuracy, what we want to communicate, that must be there in the particular content. Leaving off that, many people they do that. So whatever they want to communicate, leave that, and they continuously speak about many things. So accuracy, it should be the accurate thing. It's a quotation and indicators, quotation indicators and identification. So what is that? A unique reference number. What are the things will be normally placed in the letter? So unique URN, vital for tracking, and for some barcode like that, they will be having one reference number. Or it may be of anything. It will contain the year. Suppose 2026 May month, 2026 May, 2026 was May slash date, and then the letter number. So what is the letter? Normally in the companies they used to follow this type of reference number for each and every letter. They will have a particular number for this particular letter. Then business details, letterhead, company name, logo, address, and contact information. Normally, the letters will be printed in the letterhead. Client details, name and contact information of the recipient. So the two addresses must be very clearly mentioned, and it is the two client detail. Date of issue, on which date a particular uh, letter is being placed. Next, quotation indicators, the scope and pricing. Itemized description, suppose in case if it is a quotation, then how it should be. If the letter is particular for quotation, we are giving the quotation about the products. Then we are having some three, four items. So item 1, item B, item A, item B, item C, and what is the quantity and the rate and the discount rate, all those things will be very clearly mentioned. Cost breakdown should be very clearly mentioned, and what will be the total price. All those things will be mentioned normally in the quotation. Next, business communication. The other topic is the business communication. It's a small topic. So business communication, it is the exchange of information, ideas, messages within an organization and with external other people also. You will be having one question, what do you mean by business communication? So definitely in the business correspondence and office management subject, you will be getting one question as business communication. Definitely you will be getting this done. Next, what are the different types of business communication? So the business communication, normally internal business communication and external business communication. So in the internal, there will be an internal upward and internal downward. Upward and downward. So internal upward means employees to management. Employees from employee, next to the supervisor, a manager, like this it is. Then downward means from the management to the employee. It is coming down from the management like that. It comes down. Okay. So normally if any employee wants to apply any leave, then it will go from internal upward only. From the employee level to management. In case if any policy or any strategy, if anything, if the management wants to implement, that is possible always from the management with a down. It is internal downward. So in internal lateral, it is lateral means peer-to-peer communication among the people. Next, in this video, we have seen what are the various business formats and the various communication, the types of communication, the internal and the external communication, internal upward and downward, all those things we have seen in internal. And in the external communication, that was also the same way, it is there. Okay, so with this, we will end up this particular video. Hope this you understood. And we'll meet again with one another some small topic in another video. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.